Must watch till end. Add fennel 1 tablespoon in a beater. Add celery seeds 1 tablespoon. Add white cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Add dried fenugreek leaves 1 tablespoon. Add black cumin ½ teaspoon. Add black pepper ½ teaspoon. Add salt ½ teaspoon. Add black salt ¼ teaspoon. Add metha soda ¼ teaspoon. Crush everything completely. Filter it if you want to. Crush remaining again. Now digestive remedy is ready. Note: take ½ teaspoon with water after breakfast and ½ teaspoon with water at evening. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.